My dear students, ICSE class 10th board paper 2025-26, question number 4, section B. Question number 4, prove that sec theta minus cos theta into cosec theta minus sin theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. We have to prove this equal this. That is, we will take LHS. We will start with LHS. Left hand side, first you have to write the left hand side. This, don't start from this ki secant theta is equal to 1 over cos theta. You just copy LHS. Secant theta minus cos theta into cosec theta minus sin theta. We have to prove this is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Now secant theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta into cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta minus sin theta. You take LCM. LCM क्या आएगा? cos theta 1 minus cos square theta. Next, again take LCM. Sin theta 1 minus sin square theta, which is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to what? You know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now 1 minus cos square means sin square theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square theta upon sin theta. Now you cancel sin theta with this square. Square means sin theta into sin theta. Now 1 sin theta you cancel, cos theta you cancel with this square. What is left? Sin theta into cos theta, which is equal to RHS. Now you write this is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. हमें ये प्रूव करना था LHS equal to RHS. Now next, this was part 1. Question 4, there are 3 parts. Second part, the cost price. This is a question on GST. You know GST is applied on selling price or discounted price. The cost price of TV set is rupees 20,000. सबसे पहले क्या करना होता है कि आपको क्वेश्चन को 2 टाइम्स 2 बार पढ़ना होता है ताकि क्लियर हो जाए. इमीडिएट यू डोंट स्टार्ट इट. द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ टीवी सेट इज रुपीज 20,000. द शॉपकीपर मार्क्ड इट फॉर 24,000. दिस इज रुपीज. द मार्क्ड इट फॉर रुपीज 24,000. ही सेल्स इट to a customer at a discount of 10% on the mark price. If the sale is intrastate and rate of GST is 12%, find the discounted price of the TV set and amount paid by the customer to clear the bill. Now, what is given? You just write cost price of TV set is equal to rupees 20,000. Very simple question. The shopkeeper marked it. यानी mark price is equal to rupees 24,000. जैसे कि उसने परचेज किया 20,000 का, उसने उसको मार्क कर दिया 24,000 to get the profit. Then he sells the TV to the customer at a discount of 10%. Discount is equal to 10% on the mark price, on MP, on the mark price. You can calculate 10 upon 100 into mark price. Mark price is 24,000, which is equal to rupees 2400. Now you can find discounted price. Discounted price, mark price minus discount, which is equal to 00612. This is equal to discounted price. Now GST. Now he sells to the customer at a discount of 10%. This is a discounted price. Now customer paid the amount to clear the bill. It means जो GST है वो अपने कस्टमर ने पे करना है, तो सो यू अप्लाई हेयर GST on the selling price or discounted price. This is the selling price of the shopkeeper to the customer. Now you can apply GST is 12%, which is equal to 12 upon 100 into 2160, which is equal to 12 6 the 72 7, 12 1 the 12 plus 7 19, 1, 12 to the 24 plus 1 25. So there's GST. Now customer, the amount paid by the customer, you can write amount paid by the customer to clear the bill, What we do, हमें अब क्या करना है, इसमें जो कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ शॉपकीपर था, जिस रेट पे शॉपकीपर ने परचेज़ किया, दैट वाज 2160 plus he has to pay the GST. This is 2592, which is equal to 5 plus 6 11, 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 2. This is the answer. There are two answers. One answer is this and one answer is this. Discounted price and the price paid by the customer to clear the bill. This was question on GST, second part. Now question number 4, third part. In the given diagram, the question on similar triangle. In the given figure, the given diagram, DE parallel to BC. This is parallel to this. AD ratio DB equal to 2:3. You can write given AD ratio DB is equal to 2:3. Prove that triangle ADE parallel to similar to ABC. Hence find DE ratio BC. To prove triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC, and hence find DE ratio BC. The given 2:3 AD, you write 2x. Whenever ratio is given, you will write 2x and 3x. Now proof. प्रूफ के स्पेलिंग PROOF. This is proof. You will write in triangles ADE and ABC. Triangle ADE, the angle A, and in triangle ABC, again triangle A. Angle A is equal to angle A. Angle A is equal to angle A. This is common. Now second, angle ADE. Angle ADE equal to angle ABC. The lines were parallel. Now this angle, they are corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. By angle similarity, by AA similarity, triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. This is proved part A. Proved part 1. Yeah, A. First part is proved. Now second part. First part is also to find D ratio BC. Now you can apply CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangle. AD upon AB is equal to DE upon BC is equal to AE upon AC. This is in short CPST, but you write in the exam corresponding parts of similar triangles. Don't use CPST, but you use corresponding parts of similar triangle. Now AD upon AB is what? AD is 2x. AB, यहाँ ध्यान से 2x, बच्चे 2x upon 3x sometimes they write, but please you have to look AD is 2x and AB is 5x, which is equal to DE upon BC. Now this is sufficient. You can leave this, no use here. X cancel. DE ratio BC is equal to 2 ratio 5. This was the proved first part and we got the answer. You can write in rectangle. This is the answer. Next, question number 4 का third part का B part, that is to prove triangle DFE similar to CFB. Proof of part B. In triangles DFE and CFB. Now DE parallel to BC, this is given. DE parallel to BC, that is given. Therefore angle this is equal to angle this. You can name it 1 and 2. Angle 1, sorry, this is DFE, second is CFB. Now the triangle is, we are using CFB, this angle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles. And second, the angle this is equal to angle this. You can write DFE, you can write angle DFE is equal to CFB is equal to CFB. They are vertically opposite angles. You can write in full language vertically opposite angles, in short VOA. By angle similarity, by angle similarity, triangle DFE similar to triangle CFB. This was part B, proved part B. Now next, C, part C. Given area of triangle DEF is equal to 16 square units, find the area of CFB. Find the area of CFB. The area is given, but we have proved the triangle, जो ट्रायंगल के नाम थे वो थे DFE and CFB. You have to use these names. DFE in triangles, you can write triangle DFE similar to triangle CFB. यहाँ लिख लो proved above. Proved above. जो ट्रायंगल की नेमिंग हमने सिमिलर ट्रायंगल जो हम यूज़ करते हैं, प्रूव करते हैं, वही आपने ट्रायंगल को कंसिडर करना है. ये तो DEF लिखा, यहाँ पर उन्होंने सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म जो है वो चेंज कर दी. डोंट यूज दिस DEF. यू राइट विच वी हैव प्रूव्ड द ट्रायंगल DFE सिमिलर टू CFB. इट मीन्स वी कैन यूज द एरिया थ्योरम. एरिया थ्योरम क्या है कि व्हेन they are asking area of triangle CFB, it means you will use the area of two similar triangle is same as the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So you write, जब भी एरिया फाइंड करना है, इट मीन्स ट्रायंगल शुड बी सिमिलर. तो ये हमने ऑलरेडी प्रूव की थी. प्रूव्ड अबव हम लिख देंगे. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल DFE, area of triangle DFE upon area of triangle CFB is equal to ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. तो हमने DE और BC का रिलेशन फाइंड किया था पीछे 2:5. तो यू कैन राइट DE स्क्वायर अपॉन BC स्क्वायर और CB स्क्वायर. एक्चुअली कैसे लिखते हैं? DF स्क्वायर अपॉन CF स्क्वायर या FE स्क्वायर अपॉन FB स्क्वायर या DE स्क्वायर अपॉन CB स्क्वायर. जो उसकी कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस होती है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम साइड लिखते हैं. तो दिस इज, यू कैन राइट DE अपॉन BC होल स्क्वायर. एंड हेयर द एरिया ऑफ DEF 16, you put it here 16 अपॉन एरिया ऑफ, चाहे ना लिखो क्योंकि ये ब्रैकेट मीन ऑफ ट्रायंगल CFB. You put the value of DE upon BC. This was 2/5, 2:5 था, and which is equal to 4/25. So this is 16 upon area of triangle CFB. Cross multiply 4 into area of triangle CFB, which is equal to 16 into 25, 400. Now area of triangle CFB equal to 400 upon 4, which is equal to 100. Therefore, you can write area of triangle CFB is equal to 100 unit square. No centimeter or meter, nothing is given. So simply you write 100 यूनिट स्केयर, इसके यूनिट स्केयर में होते हैं एरिया के, यू हैव टू राइट 100 यूनिट स्केयर। दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का थर्ड पार्ट का सी पार्ट। नाउ आई हैव